10 creative ways to use blueberries, blueberry recipe ideas. Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a very special treat for you. We're going to explore 10 fantastic ways to use blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and nutrients. So, let's dive right in and discover some amazing blueberry recipe ideas. Blueberry pancakes. Start your day with a burst of blueberry goodness by adding fresh or frozen blueberries to your pancake batter. The sweet and tangy pop of flavor will elevate your breakfast. Blend blueberries with yogurt, banana, and a touch of honey to create a creamy and nutritious blueberry smoothie. Perfect for a quick and healthy snack. Blueberry muffins. Blueberry muffins are a classic. Bake up a batch of moist, fluffy muffins filled with plump blueberries for a delightful treat. Blueberry salad. Add a refreshing twist to your salad by tossing some fresh blueberries into a mix of greens, feta cheese, and a balsamic vinaigrette. The sweet and savory combo is irresistible. Blueberry jam. Make your own homemade blueberry jam. It's perfect for spreading on toast, using as a filling for pastries, or even as a topping for desserts. Blueberry salsa. Create a unique and colorful blueberry salsa with ingredients like red onion, jalapeno, cilantro, and lime juice. It's a fantastic condiment for grilled chicken or fish. Blueberry barbecue sauce. Elevate your barbecue game by making a blueberry barbecue sauce. It pairs exceptionally well with pork or chicken. The sweet and smoky flavors are a match made in heaven. Blueberry ice cream. Homemade blueberry ice cream is a real treat. Add pureed blueberries to your ice cream base for a refreshing, fruity flavor that's hard to resist. Blueberry oatmeal. Upgrade your morning oatmeal by adding a handful of blueberries along with a drizzle of honey. The burst of color and flavor will brighten your day. Blueberry cheesecake. End your blueberry extravaganza with a mouth-watering blueberry cheesecake. This dessert is the ultimate treat for any special occasion. And there you have it, folks, 10 incredible ways to use blueberries. Whether you're craving something sweet or savory, there's a blueberry recipe here for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more delicious ideas, and leave a comment sharing your favorite blueberry recipe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And there you have it,